In Dallas, Texas, a biker had a terrifying close call. It made him pull over and sit in silence for a long time. The car was at fault for crossing a solid line, but the rider stayed defensive. He scanned ahead, and that made all the difference. And by simply reducing your speed, you gain even more control over your bike.
Oh, I can't believe I'm on the bike right now. I don't know how I saved that.
I thought you were going down.
In Panama City, Florida, two riders were out enjoying a ride when one decided to do a rolling burnout. But things took a turn. He accidentally grabbed the front brake and ended up on the pavement. His friend couldn't avoid him in time. He clipped his shoe and went down as well. Luckily, both riders were okay, as confirmed in the comments. It was a reckless move, and I don't promote it. The uploader later admitted in the commentary that he didn't support what his friend did.
Hey guys, I'm good. Meet up on the left.
This biker is going to confront a predator. Do you think the biker reacted in the right way, or would you have handled it differently? Let me know in the comments below. It's better to get proof on the suspect, especially in such countries. He will get his punishment in prison. Don't play too much the vigilante. In Piauí, Brazil, a rider on a 1,200 kilometers journey ignored a clear stop sign, putting himself at serious risk.
Aí o famoso jockey, onde os barão moram.
Not only did he ignore a clear stop sign, he also overtook cars on the right. A reckless move that puts him squarely in the blind spot of turning vehicles. Stop signs aren't just suggestions, they're there to keep you alive.